So I've just got back from Bor in Jongle. Situation up there is very, very tense. We spent most of the day evacuating wounded, evacuating citizens of various countries, and I've just arrived on this chopper with 6 gunshot wounded, 2 serious, and 1 child with suspected meningitis. It's been difficult, but we've been reinforcing the base, and the main thing to do in the next 12-24 hours is to make sure that everybody who is under the protection of the United Nations gets the best protection and the best possible safety and assistance that we can muster. We have been literally digging and reinforcing the position for the last 36 hours. We will not allow a repeat of what has already struck us in Akobo.
Just come out from the UN compound. What I'm seeing is a lot of dead bodies. And then the other thing that was scaring us most was inside the compound. The rebels themselves were entering inside with the guns. We tried to ask the UN peacekeepers to protect us.
Life was just like, the difference between life and death for the people who were in this town was very thin. And we were actually traumatized by seeing a great deal of population, our people suffering from the hands of the people. What happened in this town was not actually something to do with the coup. It was out people who were out there to kill people and actually ethnically cleanse people.
No, we did not see this coming. We knew that there were tensions and that this could lead to problems, but I don't think any South Sudanese nor any of us observers in country and outside expected an unraveling of the stability so quickly. We knew ethnic tensions has unfortunately a great potential to be destabilizing in this country, but the speed, the gravity, and the scale, I think nobody would have expected.